Okay guys, when you think you've seen it all, they set the unit crooked, and instead of them setting it right, they notched the plenum so that's blowing. Okay, what we got here is a 5-ton rooftop, and whoever did it, here's a 2x6 truss, and they started cutting it. Oh, you can see right here, they stopped. So they notched the plenum all the way down, and they slid it up, and they tried taping it. There's a ton of air coming, and then the return's a 16 for a 5-ton. That's way too small. So on a really tight attic, so happens when we do school dropouts do jobs. So alright, gotta go. Cam on the roof, and see, they had, whoever roofed it in didn't do it right. Said dump a bucket, but I could feel air. They didn't put that foam gasket on there. That's been leaking water and everything else. So traps backwards. There's no vent. So that's why the water's going inside. The water's leaking in here too. They put propane. Okay, well, I've seen enough. And they went through all the effort of trying to make it work. Why didn't they put the effort into doing it right? Yeah. And they split the. You see, it was blowing a ton of air right here. See how it's about an inch and a half.
It wasn't even sealed.
Yeah, it wasn't. When I crawled in the attic, because they just split that. They tried to cut that 2x6.
I tried to cut it.
But
that would have been.
Yeah. Downside all the way. There's the plenum. Am I hitting something? That was a 2x4.
Oh, you're just kind of cutting into the
the side one?
Yeah,
Okay.
just barely go out.
Yeah. Okay. Got the new roof in. Got it all patched up. New elbow. Got the T the right way. New gas plugs. Alrighty.